Digital art is a vast and complex field that requires a lot of knowledge and skills. From layer management to color selection, there are many aspects to learn. However, finding reliable and relevant information online can be challenging and time-consuming, especially for your specific art software. That's why I created this video course where I demonstrate over 40 of the most useful skills for digital artists. You can access this course anytime and search for the topics you need. Moreover, this course is designed to be universal and applicable to a variety of popular art software such as Krita, Rebelle, Photoshop, Corel Painter, and Clip Studio Paint. This course will not only help you improve your skills with your current art software, but it will also expose you to other software options. As a digital artist, you can benefit from being versatile and adaptable to different software. By learning the essential skills in this course, you will be ready to take on any digital art challenge and advance to more complex and creative projects. This course is 4.5 hours long and includes 43 video lessons in high-quality MP4 format. You'll also get premium resource files such as a written transcript and template files you can use to follow along with my demonstrations. You will learn the essential skills for digital illustration, including brush techniques, how to edit brush properties, how to choose color, how to work with layers, and how to use universal tools like selections, guides, and crop. You will also learn how to use drawing tablet expressions like pressure and tilt. Additionally, the course will cover file management and organization. Many other topics will be covered as well. See the syllabus for details. This course is compatible with Windows and Mac OS. Videos are supported on any device that can play MP4 and can also be streamed online. In addition to being compatible with desktop art applications, it can also benefit artists who are using mobile art apps as well. To make it more accessible to artists, this course is available as pay what you want. There is a minimum price, but you can enter a custom amount. This course was a lot of work, so if you're able to, I encourage you to pay more than the minimum to help me continue making affordable resources like this. If you'd like some free samples of the lessons in this course, I'll link you to a playlist. You can purchase this course with a link in the description of this video, or you can find it at aaronrutten.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll check out my course.